Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to buy ETH on MetaMask with Debit card. Open your MetaMask extension or app, unlock your wallet, and click Buy to begin a secure on-ramp. Select a provider, enter the amount of ETH or fiat you want, and add your debit card details when prompted. Confirm the fees and complete any identity checks. Finally, approve the transaction and wait for ETH to arrive in your wallet. Next, I walk you through the checkout process with calm, clear steps you can follow. Enter the fiat or ETH amount, then review the total cost including provider and network fees. Add your debit card and complete any two-factor authentication or ID verification required. Double-check that the destination address is your MetaMask wallet address, then confirm the purchase and monitor the transaction until the ETH appears in your wallet. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like for more crypto guides. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a fresh, long-lasting scent that makes even a long crypto session more pleasant. Check the video description for the link and other deals, and pick one up if you want a small mood boost while trading. Now let's get back to the video. Here are essential safety tips to protect your funds and privacy when buying ETH. Use only trusted on-ramp providers that integrate with MetaMask and confirm URLs and app permissions. Avoid public Wi-Fi while entering card details or completing identity verification. Keep records of receipts and transaction hashes so you can verify deposits. If something feels off, pause and contact provider support before proceeding to avoid scams or mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.